Welcome back to RVenture Life, where we bring you some of the best RV tours on the road. Today, we're taking a complete walkthrough of an incredible Super C motorhome that's built for travelers who want heavy-duty performance without giving up residential comfort. This is the 2021 Thor Magnitude BH35, priced at $128,900. If you've been searching for a luxury motorhome that can confidently tow, travel long distances, and still feel like home every time you park, this coach deserves your full attention. This 2021 Thor Magnitude BH35 has just 8,600 original miles, making it an outstanding opportunity for anyone looking for a lightly used luxury coach. Measuring approximately 36 feet in length, it offers a surprisingly comfortable driving experience thanks to its truck-based platform. It's easy to maneuver through highways, fuel stations, and campgrounds while still delivering the spacious feel of a much larger motorhome. Once you arrive at your destination, the two large slide-outs completely transform the interior into a wide-open residential living space. Let's begin with a full exterior walk-around. One of the first things you'll notice is the beautiful full-body paint finish. The combination of metallic silver, charcoal, and bright white gives this coach a premium automotive appearance that immediately stands out. Unlike vinyl graphics, this coach uses genuine painted finishes protected by a glossy clear coat. That means there are no decals to peel or fade, allowing the exterior to maintain its high-end appearance for years to come. Moving along the passenger side, you'll find a large power patio awning equipped with an integrated LED light strip. The Thor Magnitude BH35 rides on the dependable Ford F550 chassis, providing commercial-grade strength and stability. Power comes from the legendary 6.7-liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine, producing 330 horsepower and an impressive 825 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a smooth automatic transmission that delivers confident acceleration, excellent highway performance, and outstanding towing capability. At the rear, you'll find a 10,000-pound towing capacity, making it easy to pull a car, boat, or trailer on your adventures. Next, let's open the exterior storage compartments. The basement storage areas offer generous cargo space, including large pass-through compartments that easily accommodate camping gear, chairs, tools, grills, and other travel essentials. On the side of the coach, you'll also find an exterior entertainment center complete with an outdoor TV, making it perfect for tailgating, outdoor movie nights, or simply enjoying your favorite shows under the open sky. Now, let's look at the utility systems. This coach is equipped with an Onan diesel generator showing only 86 hours of use. It supplies reliable off-grid power and easily supports the dual-roof air conditioners with integrated heat pumps, allowing comfortable camping in a variety of weather conditions. The electrical system includes 50-amp service, a detachable extension cord, a premium inverter, and convenient battery disconnect switches that simplify power management whether you're plugged into shore power or camping off-grid. For setup at the campsite, automatic hydraulic leveling jacks quickly level the coach with the touch of a button. Safety is equally impressive thanks to the integrated rear view and side view camera systems, giving the driver excellent visibility during parking and lane changes. Now let's step inside. The driver cockpit immediately feels familiar thanks to its truck-inspired design. Comfortable captain's chairs, an easy-to-read dashboard, outstanding visibility, and ergonomic controls make long-distance driving much less intimidating, even for first-time Super C owners. Stepping into the main living area, you're welcomed by a bright residential interior. The two slide-outs create an exceptionally open floor plan with plenty of walking space throughout the coach. Premium flooring, attractive cabinetry, quality interior finishes, and tall ceilings all contribute to a spacious, upscale atmosphere. Just inside the entry door is the large residential stainless steel refrigerator with a matching freezer, offering generous food storage for extended trips. Across from the refrigerator are the comfortable dual theater recliners, providing an ideal place to relax after a day of exploring. Above the driver area is a spacious cab-over bunk with its own television, creating another comfortable sleeping space for family or guests. Directly across sits the popular Dream Dinette, offering a comfortable dining area that quickly converts into an additional bed when needed. With the king bed, cab-over bunk, and dinette bed, this coach comfortably sleeps up to 6 people. Now let's move into the kitchen. The kitchen is thoughtfully equipped with everything needed for preparing meals on the road. You'll find a cooktop, microwave, convection oven, deep sink, durable countertops, attractive cabinetry, and plenty of storage space for cookware, dishes, and pantry items. Just beyond the kitchen is the convenient half bathroom, featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan. It's an excellent feature that allows guests to use a restroom without entering the private master suite. Now, let's head into the master bedroom. The rear bedroom serves as a peaceful private retreat. The spacious king-size bed sits inside its own slide-out, creating extra walking room. Across from the bed is a dedicated television, while a large wardrobe and multiple drawers provide generous storage for clothing and travel gear. A solid privacy door separates the bedroom from the main living area, and tasteful lighting creates a warm, relaxing atmosphere. Now for one of the highlights of this coach, the master bathroom. Located across the full rear width of the RV, this spacious bathroom includes a large vanity, sink, multiple storage drawers, toilet, power vent fan, and an oversized shower with glass doors and a beautiful skylight, bringing in natural light while providing extra headroom. Walking back toward the front of the coach, you can really appreciate how well this floor plan flows. Every section connects naturally, making the entire interior feel much larger than expected. Before we finish, let's take one more close look at the driver's controls. You're getting the dependable Ford F550 chassis, only 8,600 original miles, the powerful 6.7-liter PowerStroke diesel engine, 1.5 bathrooms, a comfortable king bed, an Onan diesel generator, an exterior entertainment center, beautiful full-body paint, and a price of just $128,900. If you're looking for a Super C motorhome that blends powerful performance, spacious living, and premium comfort into one complete package, this Thor Magnitude BH35 is definitely one you'll want to see in person. Thanks for watching RVenture Life, and we'll see you in the next RV tour.